Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to turn off restricted mode on YouTube, and now let's dive right in. Now to turn off restricted mode on YouTube, first open up your YouTube app on your phone. After opening a YouTube app, guys, on this interface at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see there's a U button available for us just beside the subscriptions at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on the U and you land on this interface, whereas on this interface at the top right corner of the screen you can see the settings or the gear icon at the top right. Tap on the settings or the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen and you land on this interface. Again, we'll be required to tap on the general option available for us, which is at the top of the list over here just above the account. Tap on general and on this interface scroll down to the bottom and you can find the restricted mode option available for us. Now in order to turn off the restricted mode on YouTube, you can see the toggle icon at the right side of the restricted mode is turned on. If we tap on it, that restricted mode on YouTube will be turned off. And with that being said, guys, this is how you would be able to turn off restricted mode on YouTube. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.